it's gonna pull it out. This device is just gonna pop it out. So I can fix in between it. Pull it out. That's a good shot of it right here.
That one I have to use a different tool on.
Alright.
I could use this tool, but the setup will take too long, so we'll do this.
Wow, that for it.
Now this is not a one-hit wonder deal. You don't usually fix them in one pull. Sometimes they do. You usually have to do multiple pulls and multiple knockdowns to get a good repair.
So we may get lucky, we may not. That one looks like...
This one went high.
Yeah, that one went too high. Yeah. You can see, that one went too high.
Well,
that actually did pretty good, that one right there. Actually did pretty good.
Yeah, it's still got a sharp little point in it, which is why I told you it wasn't going to fix completely, because the glue point
but it's not going to be
fix
it
a
won't
sharp
be,
point. It can't.
But it won't be like
but it's
like
got
it was.
The body of the dent. It's just a tiny little.
Yeah, I could stand a tiny little one, not like it was. And this is the knockdown he was talking about. Yeah.
I'm actually knocking the dent back in intentionally, flattening down around.
Oh, trying to pull. Okay,
So
I got you.
next time when I pull on it, it will.
I got you.
It will have a better chance of pulling it up flat.
What is this tool called?
Knockdown.
This is a knockdown? Okay.
It's just a piece of plastic
Okay.
with a sharp tip.
Yeah, but this is where the skill comes in, going around it. This is where you gotta have skill. Can't buy that cheap Walmart kit. It's good to get it done.
Same thing applies to this one. There's a nick in it that's from a sharp point. That won't go away with glue pulling, but the dent itself does.
The only, like I said, the only true way to, it'll minimize this so you barely see it. The only true way to get rid of it would be like the Bondo over it, sand it down and repaint it.
Well, if I can get a tool on it from the inside, then I can get rid of even that.
Like the doors in that one.
Except for the paint damage isn't going to go away, but the sharp pushing on the metal can be removed.
I got replacement paint too.